Welcome to Glitter Buzz Style, and it's all about skincare and beauty with IT Cosmetics. And I'm going to go over these two products that are definitely something that should be on your radar. I received both of these products, but I'm already an IT Cosmetics fan, so this is just a repeat of what I always tell you when it comes to the brand. The first product is their Bye Bye Under Eye, and this is a full coverage concealer. Now this concealer could also be used as a foundation. I have used it before as a foundation, but today I'm going to use it as a concealer just to show you. And it comes in this size. This is a mini size, but a little goes a long way. So you want to apply it underneath your eyes, anywhere along your nose. If you have little fine lines of wrinkles, if you want to conceal that, that's where you can apply it, and it goes on very smoothly and the results are instant. So the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye concealer is waterproof, it's full coverage, it definitely gives you that smooth texture, it goes on very easily. Only thing you need to do is pat it and keep using your ring finger to pat, and you will see how well it blends in and it leaves the perfect look of flawlessness. Okay, so a new product that they have is their CC Plus cream that can be used as a moisturizer, a concealer, also a foundation, and it could be used as a serum and your sunscreen as well. It's all about the coverage that you need. And this comes in 12 shades, and I am between a shade Rich and also Rich Honey. It depends on the season. So if it's fall and winter time, I'm Rich, and then once it starts to get in the summer season, I would be Rich Honey. So this is something that I would probably just use without the concealer, Bye Bye Under Eye, but I wanted to show you that product because this could be used for multiple purposes. So it's like, why would you not use this? And it does everything. That's amazing. And plus it has SPF 40, which is amazing when you're looking for skincare products and also makeup. I always think that it's best to invest in products that also has those other necessities that you need, because sometimes you're using 2 and 3 products and you could just use one to get the full benefit. So this product goes for $38, and it definitely is something that's going to give you that full coverage. You only need to have this one product and you're good to go. Now this is oil-free matte. This is a poreless finish, and it's an oil-free matte. They also have a few other ones that are a mix of a radiant finish, also a natural finish. So if you're looking for something that has a radiant vibe or more natural finish, you could go with their you can go with their other CC Plus, which one is a color correcting, and that is a 50 plus SPF, and the other is an illumination, and that one is also for anti-aging and color correcting full coverage cream, and that is SPF 50 as well. You can apply your CC Plus cream with your fingers. You could also apply it with a brush, and I'm going to use a pad that's in another IT Cosmetics compact that I use just to show you guys the definition of the poreless and also the under eye pores that I have underneath my eye. Okay, so this side is done with the CC Plus full coverage cream, and this side is not. So I just have moisturizer on this side. I did like my skincare regimen, but this has no makeup on it except for the under eye, and this is the matte. Okay, so this is the beauty look for IT Cosmetics, and this is their CC Plus Poreless Finish Full Coverage Cream. Again, you could use it for multiple things, so this may be the only product you need from the brand. Even though they have a lot of amazing other products that's good on your skin, this may be something that you want to invest in. Again, it costs $38, and it's an amazing product that I like to use, especially knowing that it is something that's healthy on my skin, which is amazing. Okay, so I'm also going to do an amazing giveaway on the CC Plus foundation cream. Only thing you need to do is make sure that you are following the Glitter Buzz Style brand on one of my social media platforms, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Okay, and let me know why you would love to try the new CC Plus foundation cream from IT Cosmetics. Okay, so for more beauty and fashion tips, ladies, you know where to find me. Always on my blog at Glitter Buzz Style.